Dear parents, Namaskar. I hope everyone is doing well at home. It is time for the parents to act as fellow teachers for their child's better future, education, and overall holistic development. The wake up call of COVID 19 has stopped everything, yet we have learnt many new things in this critical time. Our children are always our priority, and their holistic growth is our mission. For their emotional well being, we have organized online webinars from time to time. During this pandemic, we have always tried to interact with them so that they can feel comfortable. None of us was aware of this hard time. So the entire education system had to be transformed from traditional physical classroom to new online learning system. As we started with the appropriate platform, that is WhatsApp, but alone it is not sufficient. So after researching and testing new tools, we have chosen various platforms such as Cisco WebEx, Google Meet, Zoom, GeoMeet, according to the requirement and increasing needs of the learners. We are following MHRD and CBSE guidelines for providing virtual sessions. All the guidelines have been developed from the perspective of learners with a focus on online blended digital education for students with special emphasis on minimum screen time. As per the guidelines for classes pre-nursery to primary, the Education Ministry has recommended one online session of up to 30 to 45 minutes, while for the middle, 2 online sessions, and for classes secondary and senior secondary, 3 to 4 online sessions of up to 30 to 45 minutes. In a virtual classroom, there will be one-to-one interaction between the learner and the educator. It will also enhance communication and collaboration between teacher and the taught. The learners can learn at their own pace and time. They can clear their doubts by clicking raise hand option. To schedule our sessions on these platforms, we have chosen Google Meet, YouTube, Zoom to provide quality education with cyber safety and privacy measures. Along with virtual sessions, we will continue with our existing online education platform, that is WhatsApp and Google Classroom. The students will be getting their routine work in the form of interactive videos, PDF files and audio clips as they were already getting. For the virtual classroom, you have to arrange a desktop or a laptop or a tab or a smartphone with good network connectivity. Minimum speed must not be less than 1.5 Mbps. Etiquettes for remote learning will be shared with you, dear. We all have heard about our new education policy 2020. I hope you all have read about it thoroughly now, as it has been in the newspapers and in the news for so long. It has brought several major reforms in the field of education. It lays particular emphasis on the development of the creative potential of each individual. So let us join hands to develop the social, ethical and emotional capacity of our children, along with the development of cognitive capacities. God bless you all, dear. Stay home, stay safe.